Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
Today, we're learning some new verbs. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
To say I want and I need, we use Ndifuna. But we'll make it into the short form, so we take away the ya and we just say Ndifuna. And to say I like, you say Ndithanda. But once again, we make it short, so take away the ya and just say Ndithanda. Abuti, how do we say I want water?
Ndifuna amanzi.
And how do we say I want food?
Ndifuna ukutya.
And how do we say I like water?
Ndithanda amanzi.
And I like food?
Ndithanda ukutya.
Now, how do we say I need water?
Ndifuna amanzi.
And I need food?
Ndifuna ukutya.
So to say I want, we say Ndifuna. And to say I like, we say Ndithanda. And to say I need, we also say Ndifuna. And now you can use these verbs to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti.
Isale kakuhle.
Wow!